May I hold the white one?
Two rules. Don't put him back on the bike and don't stop petting him.
Oh,
Okay, you need two hands. Oh, no, you don't. You can just put him on that hand, bring him to your, yeah, he needs to be pet. He'll want your coffee anyways, but find skin.
You like coffee.
He likes anything. Find skin. Anyway,
what are their
find
names?
Skin.
Yeah, what are their
Find
names?
Whitey.
Violet and Whitey.
Hi, Whitey. You look like a Whitey.
Oh my god, I need to get a picture. Oh, look, underneath you. So yellow.
I know, I don't have the red one yet. What kind of bird is that? That one's a yellowhead Amazon.
Oh, it's so adorable.
She may chew on her stuff, but she won't hurt your skin. Wait, stand up straight. Stand up straight. Look at the camera.
You want me to,
Dad, one more picture. Dad, one more picture. Ah, look, you caught you for a second.
Can I get on it?
Huh?
Hold him on his back. Blue one went on her.
There you go. Pull her off your hand. Grab her.
It was actually amazing.
How do you take it? Where it is? Here, look.
It's just
When I got
Do it again, Lynn. Do that.
I couldn't do that. Okay? I got bit a lot, and I still get hurt every now and then.
I love
but
her
not
yellow.
bit. The only boy I have. You a good boy? Yes, you are.
I want a picture of
You a good boy? Yeah. Say hello.
Hello.
Tell her hello. There's the white, the blue one just said hello.
Hello, I heard that. Hi.
I knew she was gonna hand back the camera right away.
Oh, they know.
I know. You take one first.
They should take a picture with that.
Baby, hold it.
Put the baby. Put the knee.
He doesn't know.
这才掉下去，刚才没掉下去。Oh, thank you. Thank you, thank you. 来，看镜头，看镜头。I'll be here.
See nothing.
Thank you.
I do work on tips donations.
Okay, wait. Oh my god, it's scary.
It's not hurting you though.
I know, it's scary. Oh my god.
I work on tips donations. Very good.
No, just pet it. Pet, don't try and hurt it. Don't let it. Here, I'll take me here.
Look over this way.
Look over this way, bud.
Look up here.
You are so precious. I have to get you there. There we go.
Grab your thing. Hold on, wait. Daddy wants a picture too. Hold it.
Hold on, let's get that Bella leg.
Oh, look, it's precious.
Kämpesmill. Kämpesmillen, alltså där på hjälmen.
That one wants to get help.
Snöregnar mot mig.
Howard.
Howard, nice to meet you, Howard.
Thank you.
Come on, I want to see.
Yeah, bring right to your chest. Fine. Completely different kind of birds they can't make.
Oh, really? How do they make more of them?
Well, if I had two of the same. These two are made by two boy and girl, but I have two girls.
You gotta tell me. I am. I am the
I'm only here when I don't get a spot in Santa Monica.
Ah, that's right.
I have only been here twice this year. Well, they're going to be construction.